Hi, my name is Lou, and I'd like to welcome you to our demo of VidProposals 2.0. Now, we originally built this solution to make it easy for business owners like you to find prospects and close leads using VidProposals. Here you can use personalized videos and contracts to reach out to people, and once accepted, your client can sign them and we track everything. This is the basics of how to use VidProposals. Now, step one is to gather your leads. Well, where are you going to get your leads from? Well, we have a brand new powerful lead gen software called KVLeadz. You're going to enter your niche and your location. For example, here I entered accountants in Philly, and you can gather thousands of unique leads using the power of Google Maps, Google Places, our local B2B database, our online B2B database, and a standard page scraper. Once they are in here, then you will simply click on Export Leads to CSV. And you have those for our built-in mailer, which I'll tell you about in just a moment. The next step is to pick your template and edit it. So we're going to click on Templates. Now you'll see that we have dozens and dozens of templates for you to use, covering a wide variety of situations where you could offer services that you would then offer them a contract in the video proposal. So grab one of our 100 preset templates with our easy search feature, and we're going to go with our content marketing for car rentals. You can search, of course, by niche or by service. Content marketing, car rentals. We're going to click on Get. What this does now is make a copy of it and add it into my dashboard. Our team has created dozens of these proposals for version 2.0 so that you'll have the full 100 templates to choose from. In fact, as you can see, we've created professional recorded videos as well that help point out the problems that your prospects are currently facing. These videos will help with highlighting you as a service provider that can solve their problem. These templates have proposals and contracts that you can go in and edit with our built-in editor. You can insert additional videos, images, text, and even customize your pricing. In fact, you can even embed external links and calendar links as well. Everything you need to make your proposals interactive and ready to be signed. Now, of course, if none of our templates fit the exact need you have, you can start from scratch by clicking here. You'll then be given the options of choosing to record just your screen, just your webcam, or your webcam and screen. Here's what it looks like when you use the webcam with screen. And you can record using the screen with the camera if you like. And this is made possible with a Chrome extension that we provide for you at no additional charge. For best results, we recommend a mix of both if possible so you can personalize your proposals. Now, usually in these videos, you want to talk about how you can help your client's business. So let's move on to step number 3. This is where it gets fun. And we've made it even more powerful with our brand new cold email platform that allows you to mail in bulk to all the leads that you collected in step 1. Now this is huge, as you can now scale your growth with the power of video proposals. Simply click on email list, add the email. We're going to import a CSV. I'll do that just now. Now we've uploaded our CSV for our accountants in Philly. Click on next. Once you've added your email list, you simply click on campaigns and send out your emails with your video proposals that you've already created. If you'd rather not share via email, you can also share via Facebook, WhatsApp, Twitter, LinkedIn, or get a shareable link that you can share anywhere. You can also embed it on your web page. You can add a call to action, which appears as the button, as the color, as the shape, and the URL that you choose. When the prospect receives the proposal, they can read through it after watching your video, get all the details, scroll to the bottom, and then sign to confirm it and accept it. Once the accept button has been clicked, neither you nor the client can change the contract terms. You can download the PDF for your records. VidProposals 2.0, now combined with our brand new KVLeadz and our brand new cold email platform, will allow you to reach out to lots of high-quality businesses in any niche or location with a professional video proposal that will get you closing more deals than you thought possible and do it at scale. No need to go back and forth over emails with misplaced documents and contracts. It's now time for you to use video proposals to streamline your business and do it at scale to thousands of businesses with VidProposals 2.0.